Yeah, well, this is the third year we'll be doing the Master and Apprentice. First year we had a young guy, Tommy Kite, and he moved on and he's doing quite well in the off-roads now. I think he's running like top fives in E1, and it's proved that it's a successful thing. And you know, we just get the young guys, you know, straight out of juniors and give them a bit of a leg up, a bit of a helping hand. Try and pick some talent if we can, you know, take a bit of a punt. And yeah, Tommy paid off really well. This year we picked the young guy, Jack Hankel, as you would have known, and we've done a lot of testing and he's looking really promising, and I'm sure he would have done some great things, but unfortunately he blew his knee out at the start of the year, pretty bad, so he sort of had the whole season off. He's only just getting back on the bike now, and you know, I spoke to him and, you know, told him that if he wants to come and do some races next year, we'll more than be happy to give him a bit of a hand and somewhere to work out of. So he's just playing it by ear at the moment. Hopefully, yeah, he'll get into it, because I reckon he's a great talent. He'll do really well. And yeah, this year we've signed up a young guy called Peter Daniel Allen. 3 names, and his old man's name's the same, so it's a bit confusing. So he goes by the name of PD. 16-year-old kid from Gympie in Queensland. He's a reigning Queensland champ, and he's just come out of juniors as well. Showed some great speed towards the end of the year, and yeah, he actually approached Husky factory. He liked the way that they run things, and he's looking at a good future in the sport. So in turn, they sort of put him onto me a bit, and I got onto him, and he sent all through his resume and stuff, and everything looked really great. And yeah, we had a lot of other candidates that I'd sort of been keeping an eye on and stuff. So we made a decision with PD and notified all the other guys and told them that they missed out, and wish them all the best. Yeah, so we met up there up at Husky headquarters. He come down, and yeah, we done the deal, and he met the crew, met the workshop and all the boys, and yeah, he's just picked up a bike this week, so we'll have him kitted out by January in all the gear, all the Scott gear, and all the other associated sponsors, and we'll get some online stuff, some video of him riding, and I think we're all going to go to the first Queensland round, which is in Kyogle mid-February, so I'd say we'll be up there earlier doing some testing and stuff before then, but it'd be good to see how he's sort of sitting. He loves the bike. He's already rang me and told me he thinks the thing's great, and he's come off Yamaha, and yeah, he's got a good attitude, I think, pretty positive attitude. He's got great backing from his parents. His dad's really supportive, and plus, which I thought was great, that he's got support from his community and his school. His schools, he's doing year 11 and 12, but his school's worked out a program with him where he can have the Monday and the Friday off, and they're going to squash his studies into the 3 days. So I think that's great, or the 4 days. So I think that's great that they know, you know, they realise that he's a young sportsman, and they're helping him, you know, as well. So yeah, we'll give him all the support we can, and I think he'll do well. So keep an eye out. Okay, yeah, I'd really like to thank the support we've had from the industry since we started the program, and also for 2013. Husky have been fully supportive from the start of the thing, as well as Transmoto, you guys, and the relationship's been great. We haven't had nothing but great support. Also with the CNR, with the Scott gear head to toe, they're giving us heaps of product and behind what we do as well. So that's the main thing. Pirelli tyres, giving us the tyres we need to compete. The motor oils they supply, RK and XL Ferrado pads, and Power Sports Central are back on board with us again up here. Chris there's been really great to us. He's, you know, anytime we need anything, he's more than willing to give us a hand. So they're the main ones, and yeah, the man above, I really like to thank him. He keeps us safe. Without him, I don't think I could survive. So, how are you, Jesus?